Morning students, how are you all? Let's start reading of computer. Open book page number 133. Saving a project on Scratch Windows. Step 1. Click on File menu. Step 2. Choose the Save to your computer option. Step 3. Select the folder in which you want to save your file. Step 4. Specify the file name. And step 5. Click on the Save button. After that, moving the sprites. In step 1, you have to click on Motion Block category by Blocks Palettes as in this section. After that, step 2, you have to drag Move Block from the block palettes. By default, in Move Block, there are 10 steps as the set value. You can change further the values. Now, step 3. Now drag the turn clockwise block to the scripts area. By default, the value of clockwise is 15. You have to set this value on 180. Repeating steps. You can repeat the actions of a stack of blocks by making use of various blocks in the control block category. Forever block. The forever block runs the blocks inside it over and over again. Following these steps. Step 1. Click on the control block in the block palette. Step 2. Drag the forever block from the block palettes to the script area. Step 3. Click on motion block in the block palettes. Step 4. Drag the move block from the block palettes to the script area. Drop it inside the forever block. Step 5. Drag the run block from the block's palettes to the script area. Drop it inside the forever block after the move block. Repeat block. This block runs the blocks inside it a specified number of time. Consider the following block stack. Wait block. This block makes the script wait for a specified number of seconds and when conditioned with the next block. When clicked block. Another very useful block is in the events category. It is the block when this block is on the top of stack blocks. The action of the blocks get executed when the green flag on the top of stack is clicked. After that, changing the look, color and size of sprites. Following steps can be followed. Step 1. Click on the looks block in the block palette. Step 2. Drag the think block from the block palettes to the script area. Step 3. Drag the say block from the block's palettes to the script area. Change the words in the say block to let me change my color. Step 4. Drag the set color effects to the block from the block's palette to the script area. Set color effective value to 10. Similarly, you can use change by size and set size to 100% blocks to change the size of the sprites. The block show and hide can be used to display or hide the sprites of the stage. Students, you have to read page 133 to 138. Best of luck for your next lecture.